So guys, welcome back again to my channel. Have you experienced this new update from WhatsApp? Wow, this is very amazing. So if I open my WhatsApp, I can be able to get message from all these celebrities. So have you seen something like this in your WhatsApp? Okay, these are channels. So the next thing that we are going to look on is how to create WhatsApp channel for you to get audience. These are channels from WhatsApp. As you can see, this update came today, 2 hours ago, because Mark Zuckerberg introduced this. Let me see how many minutes, okay, how many hours ago? For about 2 hours ago. So this is a new update. I hope you guys will like this update. Okay, so here for those that will be confused, if you want to look for your status, you can scroll down. These are your status, those that posted something on their status. Okay, these are your friends that posted something on their status. So it's also simple. So if you scroll down here is the channels. So if you are to follow ones, anywhere you click on, from there you click on follow. If you click follow, it will be added to the names of followers. Like I'm following 3 people now. Okay, this is very simple. Wow, this is very amazing. So you can be able to follow celebrities on WhatsApp. Wow, this update is very amazing, man. It's very amazing. And these are celebrities with verification, green tick verification. Okay, let's go back. If you click here, you scroll down. So the next video I'm going to make is how to create this account, this channel on WhatsApp. So stay connected by following us, by subscribing to our channel, and for more updates.